Welcome back to Day 1 French, episode 19 of 20. I'm Louis. Penultimate episode, tomorrow you graduate.
And I'm Claire. You can handle full sentences now, but open a French news app and the first thing you see isn't full sentences at all. Today, the secret grammar of headlines.
Today's sentence is the shortest of the whole series. 5 words. Claire.
La Première ministre à Washington.
That's it. That's the headline.
One more time, slowly. La Première ministre à Washington.
Did you notice what's missing? Where's the verb? Claire, what's going on?
Today's quirk: headlines don't speak full French. They speak telegram. The verb usually is gets deleted. Every word costs space, so only the heavy words survive.
And notice, French is gentler than English here. The little article survives the cull. It's the verb that dies. So your job as a reader is to put it back, to expand the telegram into a full sentence you already know how to say. Claire, the headline, then the full version.
La Première ministre à Washington. La Première ministre est aujourd'hui à Washington. Hear it? The headline is just a sentence with the verb shaken out. Nothing new to learn, only a habit of putting it back.
Your turn, say the full sentence. Repeat after Claire.
La Première ministre est aujourd'hui à Washington. La Première ministre est aujourd'hui à Washington.
Let's drill the habit on real headlines, every word from this series. Headline 1. Claire.
Grève dans les trains.
Strike in the trains. Week 1 meets Transport Day. Expand it in your head. There is a strike in the trains. Claire, the full version.
Il y a une grève dans les trains.
Headline 2.
Élection dimanche.
Election on Sunday. You know the full version from Politics Day? Say it, the election is on Sunday. Repeat after Claire.
L'élection est dimanche. L'élection est dimanche. And headline 3, a hard one, with a dash in the middle. 40 degrés dans le sud, pas de pluie.
40 degrees in the south, no rain. The dash is the headline's favorite punctuation. It just means, and here's the consequence. Expand both halves. It is 40 degrees, there is no rain. Weather Day gave you every piece.
3 headlines, 0 new vocabulary. That's the trick of Telegram French. It's not harder than sentences. It's less.
Since our Prime Minister is in Washington, let's pack the diplomacy kit. The words of every foreign affairs story. The visit.
La visite.
Your turn. Repeat after Claire.
La visite. The meeting. La rencontre. La rencontre. And the formal talk, the one-on-one behind closed doors. L'entretien. L'entretien.
And the verb, driving it all, to meet, it's why she flew there at all. Claire, in a full sentence.
La Première ministre rencontre le président.
One elegant double life to finish. The meeting word also lives on the sports page. A match between 2 teams is a meeting too. In French, leaders meet and teams meet with the same word. Summits and stadiums. Today's payoff runs backwards, from Telegram to full French. The headline. Claire.
La Première ministre à Washington.
And the full sentence it stands for.
La Première ministre est aujourd'hui à Washington. Your turn, give me the full sentence, verb and all. Repeat after me. La Première ministre est aujourd'hui à Washington. Très bien.
Day 19. Telegram grammar, 3 expanded headlines, and the diplomacy kit. The sheet at LinguaWire.com/day1 has 6 more headlines to expand, everyone built from series vocabulary, plus the 10-minute interactive homework.
And tomorrow, Tomorrow is graduation day. A real French news bulletin, 4 stories, 90 seconds, read like the radio. 20 days ago, pure noise. Tomorrow you'll understand it.
Sleep well. Big day.
À demain pour la dernière fois.
Until tomorrow for the last time.